Okay, so since I didn't record anything before I left today, and making sure that you get the content that you don't deserve, this is what I'm going to do instead. So it's been about a week. I've started a school program. It's basically like a vocational school, a technical school. So it might take me less time than a year, but we'll see. But this is basically kind of where I'm at after a week with my EDC in my backpack. So if you remember, this is the same backpack that I had when I did the IRS EDC video when I was working there. But there are a couple different things here. And I don't think I did one for UPS either, though. So, the radio is one that I've kind of stuck on today because I've been really bad about getting on the air and actually trying to listen to figure things out and how they work. Got the Steam Deck just in case and a bullet journal. Some things, accessories are still the same. So okay. Annoying thing is the radio does have like that clip that catches onto things real easy. Here in the front pocket, underneath all the morale patches, we've got various snacks, of course, pens, gifts of varying degrees. This is the headset for the radio, of course. Sanitizer, bug spray, in essence. Sporks, because that's important, because you got to eat. Again, more snacks. Little jar of one bit of gamer subs that's actually perfect for this thing, so I can do at least one refill, and that is like a mix of caffeine and a mix of caffeine free. So I've got that. If I undo the buckles here. So that's for if I need that extra jump, and I definitely needed an extra jump of caffeine today, and I'm glad I had some, even though it wasn't gamer sups, I still had something with caffeine in it. Okay. This pocket is, of course, the fun pocket, which has gotten some changes since, because of different events. I've had some changes and some additions to certain things in here because of various experiences that I've had. So it's mostly in the first aid kit, but cough drops of varying kinds. I've got the Ferris sweep here. This pocket did have a granola bar or whatever in it, but I ate that last week sometime. But I do have extra sweets and all if I need that extra sugar boost. One thing I have found with the Ferris sweep, of course, some keycaps being missing because they broke off. I have a lot of work to do to configure this thing still, so it's not perfect. But yeah, you've got the extra tech goodies in here, like a cord for each-ish. Let's see, AV cable, USB-A to USB-C, USB micro to USB-A, our power bank. That's the tech stuff. So the biggest change, and this is the shoulder, that's the air tag. Here's the shoulder strap for it, for that D-loop. Here's where the biggest change comes in. Front panel's, of course, heavy because of, my precious metals. So I've got a first aid kit in here that is different. I had a plastic container with a bunch of Band-Aids in it, but it kind of broke after having a first aid emergency out in the middle of nowhere because I dropped my backpack once or twice. But yeah. So, and because of that too, I have a fuller first aid kit, and I've sorted out Band-Aids in here. You've got some of the extras in there. I've combined some of the first aid kits I previously had, moleskin padding, and then first aid guide just in case. Then, of course, there's like MRE drink mixes. But yeah, so there are still some things I need to supplement this with in order to have a full kit, basically, like gauze. But other than that, it is a fuller kit than what I had before. Yeah. Which is kind of a big deal when you get caught in situations where people could get hurt, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so now for the main compartment. Oh, I forgot to put a buddy back. Get in there. Goodbye. Don't forget to put that back, of course. Okay. I don't normally unbuckle these buckles when I access that center pocket, but, you know. Okay, so this is kind of where the main attraction is. Boom. Nothing much in here. I've got a Shemagh just in case. Caffeine-free gamer subs I kind of slip in here. I might have to slip that somewhere else or put it in a separate pouch and what all, but yeah, this is where the laptop resides for the most part. I'll slip other things in and out of here. Sometimes slap the Steam Deck on top of here, right kind of off to the side because I've got a fatty bulge here. But I'll also put, like, if I happen to have like liter bottles of soda, then those get slipped into there as well, kind of up in the top, because the fatty bulge from the front prevents anything from falling over. But that's basically the tour of where I'm at currently after a week. Of course, it's going to evolve, and that means that as well my Ferris sweep layout is going to evolve too. So, of course, that's going to have to be another video. Of course, I'm going to have to go probably to the library because home isn't that close, and I'm like, doesn't make sense to go all the way home when I'm going to come back this way anyway, and render this video on that very laptop that, you know. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.